Here we are on the African plains of Africa. Wild, free, yet not without hardships. Take this young male, Zeke, of the primate family Simian umbilicus reticulus, literally the long belly button monkey. Now is the season to mate, and he is desperate to get some monkey tail. And oh, who has he spotted? Only the most desirable female of the troop, Lola, with her alluring chafed red buttocks and dangly nipples. In this rarely filmed exhibition, we see our Zeke try to woo Lola with his extended belly button. The longer the belly button, the more desirable the mate. This dance looks impressive to our human eyes, but Lola is clearly unimpressed with the length of his belly button. In a devastating act of rejection, she turns away her butt cheeks. To be a horny monkey in Africa, it's a hard life. And it's not going to be made any easier by the arrival of beef. Lola is obviously enraptured with Beef's dancing prowess. His elongated belly button exacts a hypnotic love spell over Lola that is hard to break. But look who's trying to woo her back. However, Lola cannot be bought with mere food, or with tacky gifts she would never wear. Never one to take no for an answer, Zeke has one last trick up his simian sleeve. Lola is consumed with lust for beef and presents him with her most desirable buttocks. Sorry, Zeke. Sorry, Fran, with the inferior derriere. Our man is too busy complaining to his incel monkey pals about his terrible lot in life. No thanks to women. Yes, the hardships you face here on the African plains are formidable, Zeke. But right now, you are just being an extraordinary prick. Young love, it's stupid, no matter where you are or what species you happen to be.